On behalf of World Youth Day, here we are with the debate on the topic Gender Equality Starts with Youth. Here we have two teams where this team is going to be opposing the statement and this team is going to be supporting it. Let's get into it.
The values we teach in childhood are the code in a computer. They decide how the system runs in life. If we code equality in youth, it runs on fairness. If not, it runs on bias.
Our ideals and opinions can change based on the century we are living in. This generation's youth can be different from that generation's adults. So, our youth is allowed to dream. Our school's motto is dream bigger every day. And who is that directed to? The adults or the students? Obviously, the students, they have the right to dream on gender equality.
Starting young breaks stereotypes before they can harden. If we learn that both genders can excel in art, science, sports, or leadership, we will not limit someone because of their gender. Do you think youth alone can change the society?
See, if you go back generations past, our elders have been very, very notorious. They have been very, very um negative towards women, towards men. There has been lots of misandry, misogyny, etc., etc., etc. So our children, they're looking back on our history, they're seeing the mistakes of the past and they want to correct that. Before the 21st century, there has been a cycle of generational drama between men and women, women and men. So I'm just saying that this generation of youth is breaking that cycle. They are admitting that there are equal rules for all. But respect can contradict. See, what an adult will say might not always be ethical. For example, this gender equality, they might not have had much experience on gender equality because the male domination was very, very high back when our elders used to live.
Can you say the youth is ethical? All they say are right, can you say? If it is so, then why do we still see many of the youth following the same steps of the elders? Youth have the power to influence friends and family. We do influence our friends, right? We do tell them to do this, do that, and they do listen to us. When we speak against unfair rules or question discrimination, parents and communities begin to rethink their outdated traditions. They begin to see things in a new perspective, and that's why I think gender equality should start with the youth.
We learned many perspectives, but what I think is that the conversation should go on. Appreciation to both the teams for participating in the debate. So thank you.